The REDTIGER F7N Pro dashcam offers a remarkable dual recording feature with a front camera providing 4000 ultra-high-definition resolution and a rear camera capturing in 1080 pixels, full high definition, ensuring comprehensive coverage and clarity. Equipped with the advanced STARVIS 2 image sensor and wide dynamic range and high dynamic range technologies, this dashcam excels in capturing clear and detailed images even in low-light conditions, enhancing overall visibility and safety. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, users can easily connect the dashcam to their smartphones for seamless operation and video sharing, while the precise GPS functionality records accurate location, speed, and route data. The REDTIGER F7N Pro features loop recording and a G sensor, which automatically saves and protects important footage during sudden impacts, providing users with peace of mind and continuous recording without worry of data loss. Offering 24-hour parking monitoring, the dashcam utilizes a G sensor to detect and record incidents when parked, complemented by a time-lapse mode for efficient and ongoing surveillance. Installation is straightforward with the rotatable GPS adhesive mount, and REDTIGER provides an 18-month extended warranty and round-the-clock customer support for added assurance.